Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who are working in the IT industry because we are going to discuss about two of the most biggest IT companies in India and in the US. We are going to discuss about TCS and Google. What are the policy that they are offering? What are the changes that they have done in these policies? So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. I have a small humble request to everyone. Please don't skip this part. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have observed that almost 10% of the people who are watching this video have subscribed. 90% of the people who have not subscribed. So please subscribe and like this video. The first point that I'm going to discuss is right now a lot of people, a lot of buzz is going on around people that is regarding recession because there is a lot of wars that are happening in the US. Okay, not in the US technically, but US is supplying a lot of ammunitions and arms, a lot of funding that it is giving to Ukraine and Israel. And what is happening? There is a Russia-Ukraine war that is going on, and there is a Israel-Iran war that is going on. And that is the reason a lot of people believe that there can be recession chances. Again, one more thing is that a lot of people are worried because of the VC money that is put in the economy right now. Lot of startups can get collapsed also in the US particularly, also in India also, because VCs are putting a lot of money, VC funds are putting a lot of money in those startups which are about to fail. This can be the similar situation to 2008. This is what a lot of experts are believing, but I would just suggest to everyone that please, it's like, update yourself, upgrade yourself, learn about what could optimize the work that you're doing right now, and then apply it in your current organization or any company that you're working in. Okay, now let us move to the next important point, that is regarding Google. Now a lot of people might have already heard about the layoffs that happened in Google in the year 2023. Okay, they laid off more than 15,000 people. Now Google is considered as one of the safest company. It is also considered as a company with a very good life balance, okay, work life balance, and that is the reason a lot of people want to join this particularly as part of Fang Group, right? So it is again important that these kind of companies do not lay off employees. Okay, these kind of companies are known to stay, employees are staying basically in these companies for a longer duration of time. Some people leave the company after 2 years, 3 years also, but majority of the people are staying in the company for more than 10 years, for decades, right? Now there is interesting thing that is happening. Google is actually providing a voluntary exit policy. They have upgraded the voluntary exit or policy, that is, if you want to leave the company, you can go ahead. We will give you some kind of money. We'll give you a lot of amount. Okay, we will give you separation amount that will be hefty amount, right? So Google is a big company. They have a lot of cash. They have a lot of currency. Okay, they have a lot of money, so they can easily pay off the employees so that the cost cutting can be done. Okay, after COVID, after 2021, they hired a lot of people in bulk. It was expected that companies are going to thrive, they are going to like grow exponentially, but this is not looks like happening right now, as of now, considering the current economic situation. And what they're doing, due to AI and heavy investments in the technologies domain, right? Google is investing heavy in Gemini. Okay, Microsoft is investing heavy in ChatGPT and OpenAI. Apple is again investing heavy in their own AI, right? Twitter, like that is now called as X, okay, or SpaceX or other companies are also investing heavy in X.ai. So a lot of companies are investing heavily in AI, and they want their work to be done by AI. Okay, that is the reason Google is now, for optimization purpose, for reducing the cost on employees, they want this voluntary exit. People, they want people who are not aligned with the company's goals, people who are not performing as per the company's expectation, they want them to leave, and they are providing a hefty amount to counter that. This is the first point. Now again, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm requesting you again to please subscribe because I know that a lot of people have not subscribed yet. Please do subscribe. The next important point is coming from TCS. TCS is one of the biggest IT company, not only in India but the entire world. It is having a lot of employees. It is having a very high brand value. But now they are going to change some of the policies. They are known for good policies. They are known for good work environment also, right? But now they are changing their bench policy. Earlier, you might have heard people are staying on bench in TCS for like 1 year, 2 year also, right? People are staying and learning about like government jobs. They're preparing for government jobs, cracking the government jobs, or they're preparing for masters, sitting on bench. They are preparing for other exams. They're managing the businesses by working from home. So these things were known, right? Now TCS is going to introduce, I would say, a new policy. And by the time this video, you are watching this video, the policy might have already been rolled out. Okay, that is not confirmed yet, but it might get rolled out soon. So what they're planning to do is they are going to pass this rule wherein you have to be working, okay, you have to be allocated to a project. If you are unallocated for more than 35 consecutive working days, okay, they might fire you. Okay, this can be a possibility. They might do the due diligence and they can initiate the cessation of your service. Your service might get terminated also if you don't get allocated to any project. This is what TCS has been doing right now, as of now, and there are heavy chances that this can be implemented soon enough. Okay, so if you consider all the working days out of 365 days, right, it is around 250 to 60 days that you're working. Okay, working days I am talking about. And out of that, if you minus 35 days, okay, so there will be 220 or 230 days that you have to be working. You will have to be allocated to the project, and that is going to be very important for people who are sitting on bench to find the projects as soon as possible. So if you're someone who's sitting on bench, my motto is not to fearmonger you, but just to make you aware that please get allocated to a project. If you are not allocated to any project, try to reach out to the RMG and try to discuss with them and get allocated as soon as possible. This is a sincere request from my end. Okay, with this I would like to end our today's video. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. With this I would like to end our today's video. Hope you all have a great day.